Okay. Here.
Okay.
Because it took 2 minutes. Right? Just gotta take another 2 minutes. Per 2 minutes, it'll stop. That's the way the camera is.
Okay, I know.
Fuck it. We'll do different parts. Fuck it. We gotta split it up. Get a little bit up. Fucking straight. Okay. One minute and something. I can videotape this wide bolt. That fucking easy. Double. See, it's my turn again.
My turn.
Okay. I can fucking bowl wide videotape it. We playing Wii Sports. That means a fucking strike. You cocksucker game. Fucking cheating motherfucker. This fucking bullshit.
God damn.
Fuck you, motherfucker.
I heard that.
Call a game all kind of things. Just a fucking game. Ain't nobody special. You fucking cocksucker video kid. Cheating ass motherfucker.
Stop it.
I'm talking shit to it. I don't give a fuck. If my mom was alive, she'll cuss it out too.
Alright, come on, babe.
Better be a fucking strike, motherfucker. There's a goddamn strike. Fuck this game shit.
It's just a game, babe.
I know what it is. You can cuss it out all you want. It's a fucking game, right? You cocksucker. Just again. 3 minutes. This video's lasting longer. It's not cut off yet. Fucking.
Girl.
Camera's gonna keep on rolling. Oh yeah! Fucking cut her shit, Emos.
Hold on, Midnight. Midnight, stop it.
This camera's keep on rolling. 4 minutes. You fucking stupid. Being fucking stupid, right? Being fucking stupid. The fucking camera's gonna keep on rolling. Nice game. Oh, 5 minutes. It's gonna keep on going. Yeah. Strike. Christine got a strike. Baby's got a strike. She's my baby.
What? Hey, you're funny.
Oh, yeah. She loved me all night long. We're playing Wii Sports.
Alright, babe, your turn.
My turn. And the camera's going to keep on going. Say, woo, yeah. Watch it. Let me do my thing. Oh, yeah. Game's finished. You cocksucker. I beat you by a little bit. You cocksucker, motherfucker. Game is finished. Yeah.